We're looking now at the plastic coating. So we're going to apply this G-clamp has had a plastic coating applied to the mild steel body, and we're going to do this by using the plastic coating or fluidizing bath. This has a container here full of granules, plastic granules, and it has a pump which blows air through and fluidizes the plastic granules. In the oven here we have set the temperature to 220 degrees, and we've left our clamp in there for about 10 minutes. We're now going to use a hook and some gloves, and we're going to take the clamp out with the wire hook. This has been heated through, and place it in the fluidizing bath. After about a minute or so in the bath, the granules have started to stick to the heated metal. We can now leave it, and over time the granules are melting, and you can see them melting there into a smooth plastic coated finish.